Hey beauties, this is the neutral look we're going to be doing today. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here. I'm Christine, if you don't already know. And we're actually going to start off with the eyelids. I'm just brushing up the eyebrows because I did just finish doing them. So I just wanted to make sure our eyebrows are good to go. And we're going to get the Louise Rumour 02. I know I'm trying to get my camera to clear up, but I'm still fighting with the whole focusing and manual focus to autofocus to, yeah, it's complicated, but we'll get there. Also, you already know, follow me on IG at Christine Alicia. So I put a little bit of that eyeshadow base on my palm of my hand, and I'm grabbing the Zoeva concealer brush and I'm buffing this out all over my lid. We're going to be doing both eyes today, so I buffed both of them out. Making sure it's a nice, smooth canvas. So now we're going to go in with this NYX Cosmetic. It's a lip pencil, but I'm actually going to use it just to map out my, the liner on my eyes. So we know where to place the eyeshadow and where to blend it out and so forth. So here you will see the shape of the eyeliner I'm going to do. In other words, you can use just a brown liner. Just make sure it's kind of light. If you see, this one has a little bit more warmth to it. But just make sure it's a light brown. Kind of like something that we could turn into like a taupe in a way. I don't remember the name of this pencil, but you already know I have everything linked on the description box below. Of course, is the hard part, trying to match the other eye. So after blending this out, we're gonna hit the Morphe 35S palette. You already know my obsession. And we're going in with Sandbar. And this is more like a small pencil brush, and I'm just following that line. And this is what I mean. It's more like, on camera, it's more like a caramel. But other than that, I think it kind of looks like a taupe, like a dark taupe. And then I'm kind of doing swipe motions just to blend that out as well. You know, you want to smooth out all your eyeshadows. I definitely zoomed in here for you guys. I realized that it was too far away and, you know, trials here. We're still testing things out, how to work with the camera and so forth. But I definitely zoomed in for you so you can start seeing exactly what I'm doing. Because from far, it does no justice. And here I kind of just cleaned up the top area. I feel like it smudged a little bit farther than where I wanted it to. And you know, cleaning is my thing with eye looks. And then of course I'm just going back in just to fix little areas here and there. And we're gonna blend this out. You already know, let's do it. Blend, blend, blend. Like, you're gonna really have to love blending if you're with the whole makeup game. Which I do, because especially when it comes all together, it's like Picasso. Okay, so we're gonna pick up the eyeshadow base again, or any eyeshadow base you pretty much have, and we're gonna start cleaning the inner lid part. I'm gonna put more base on there just because I really want this glitter to pop, which now that I think of it, I should just use my NYX Cosmetic glitter glue, but that would have really made it pop. But it's more like a shimmery color, so I guess this works. And I'm really just mapping that out as well before I go in the lid, because you don't really want to mess it up too much. You can always go back, but I prefer, you know, to do it as best as I can so I don't waste too much of your time or my time. And then as you see here, I went back and I'm fixing my little spots that I end up adding on there of the eyeshadow base I really didn't want to. I'm all about perfecting things, which sometimes it could be really bad. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. And then we're going back into the 35S and we're using the Cabana time. Woo, makes me want a Cabana. I used to work as a server at a Marriott hotel, the Swan and Dolphin in Orlando, and renting out cabanas were like your moneymaker. So it makes me want to just vacation and have the whole like cabana and being catered in a cabana. Like, that sounds lit. All right, you know me with my little stories all the time. All I do is talk, talk, talk. But I hope I'm entertaining you all, of course. And that way you also get to know me a little bit. I should do a get to know me video. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. It might be too early, but at the same time, it might be good. I know I have like the resting bitch face, so sometimes it's good to, you know, put myself out there. So I'm cleaning up the area. Yes, again, I told you I'm like the cleaning up area queen. Even at home, all I do is clean, clean, clean. But going back in with the NYX pencil, and I actually realized I wanted to give it more of a really light fox eye look. So I just brought it out a little bit and then I extended it more onto my inner eyelid as well. well, I extended that outer lid more towards the inner lid, if that makes sense. And now we're blending that out. And then after you blend that out, I skipped that part because you already know. I don't want to waste too much time. I grabbed the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You know. And I didn't add lashes to this look just because I felt like it was just perfect the way it was. If you want more of a dramatic look, you could add lashes. I preferred no lashes. And then I'm going in with Alfresco. And I'm cleaning up the area because it looks more like a nude color. I'm cleaning up the area and adding that on my brow bone. And then I went back in with the Cabana Time. I was going to use a different highlighter. You can if you want, but I wanted it to all blend out. And like I said, look as natural as possible. So I just put it on my inner lids. And then now I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetic white pencil. I want to really brighten up my eyes. And you already know white pencil. Well, if you don't know, now you know. White pencil is the way to do it. Or like a nude, neutral pencil you can do as well. And it'll give you more of a natural look. I'm just fixing up my liner because like I said, I'm a perfectionist. So if you feel like you have to, you can as well. And I'm going to get this lip pencil color for you because it's driving me crazy. Okay, my love, sorry for getting so loud. I got super excited. But this color pencil from NYX is called Downtown Beauty. So it actually is kind of like a dark brown. I hate how much I say actually. So it's a dark brown. And then I'm going to go in with the, since it was, I was already using that pencil to blend out the brown, the lip pencil, I mean the eye pencil. I just went ahead and blended in that dark brown on my lips. And then now I'm going in with, sorry it fell. Now I'm going in with Nude Beige by NYX as well. I'm not rushing here. I kind of was, but not at the same time. I was speeding it up as much as I can. And now it does super speed mode. And then I'm grabbing a little bit of concealer, putting it on the palm of my hand. I'm going to grab a dry beauty blender and I'm going to just dab that on my lips just because I wanted it more, like I said before, a taupe look. And then I'm grabbing this Revlon lip gloss that I've had forever, but I love it because it gives it more of like a little pinkish tone and it just blends so well with the nudes. All right, so this is the finished look. I hope you all love it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And as you know, I'll have everything listed in the description box below. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.